whānau. Just giving a mad shout out to all the MCs that have been joining in the Māori Rap Challenge. Ngā mihi miharo ki a koutou katoa whānau. The likes of Te Ahi Kāro, also the bro Liddy Y Fox, Too Much Brother, and Te Hira. Keep them coming, bro, keep them coming. We're going to change the whole rap challenge. No longer a 7-week rap challenge, no longer 7-day challenge, even though I'm going to complete the 7 days, 7 weeks. You only have to give one. The only rule now is just all in Te Reo Māori. Te Reo Māori is key motivation. So it's just about getting that Te Reo Māori out there and getting us Māori MCs out there, letting people know that people rapping Te Reo Māori. Well, we rapping Te Reo Māori. Was always a fan of the Yin Yang Twins, so I'm going to hit you off with a bit of a kohimu. This is a whisper rap.